What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. I'm going to go over Fantom. Beautiful bounce. We're sitting at 302, 301. We're up about 1.8 on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 7.62 million. 24-hour volume, 624 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here we are on the 1 hour chart, guys. So you can see we're basically creating equal lows, higher lows on the RSI, so a little bit of a bullish divergence, and we've seen a nice push. Now the money flow is shot right up into overbought, and we are hitting a little bit of resistance here, so completely up to you. I mean, it's not a huge amount of profit, it's not bad, about 5%, but what we could see is just a little bit of consolidation before coming up to 313. We still have to keep an eye on that head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But if Bitcoin were to break out here and we see a nice push, we break this level of resistance, of course Fantom is going to absolutely take off, in my opinion, due to the bullish strength. But if Bitcoin were to get rejected, I do think we would at least come up to 313. But of course, that's just my opinion. Our first entry was here at 284. So let's look at the 4 hour time frame. So here we are, guys. Money flow came right back down to the bottom section, and we're seeing a nice push back to the upside, as well as the RSI bottom section created a little bit of a triple bottom. So if we can break this neckline, we're starting to break it a little bit here. If we can break this neckline, we have a nice little breakout target from the bottom of our pattern all the way to the top. Pull it out, would take you above this level of resistance up to about $3.21 for FTM. We're starting to get back above the EMAs, which is a good sign, guys. If we can hold the 4 hour EMAs, we could see a nice push, just as we did here. Bullish cross, nice push to the upside. So here's Fantom on the daily. I talked about us coming back down to the 20 EMA, and right now we're holding it as support. Right here we came back down to the 55. We saw a nice bounce. So if we bounce here and we break this high, we can invalidate this double top, which would be really bullish, and we can head up for this target of our descending broadening wedge coming in at 359 for FTM. I'll also give you some more short terms levels of resistance here. Swing high down to swing low. So we have some resistance at the previous high, and then you would target the 1.272, which is coming in at 508 for FTM. But if we do just get rejected here, if we come up, we get rejected, maybe we create that head and shoulders and we roll over, but then we target the 55, of course, and we come back down and we can target $2.05. But as of right now, we're seeing a nice little push to the upside. So hopefully we push up, we can make a nice 10% trade, close 50% of my trade personally for a nice 10% profit, and let the rest ride. If it comes back down, break even, re-enter the trade with the amount of money that I entered with. So if I entered with 500, I sell 50%, I re-enter again with 250, I have the rest of the money in my trade, and I locked in 50% of my profits. That's just what I do personally, guys, but I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. If you're leverage trading, don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. It's double your margin. All right, guys, with spot trading, it's a no-fail strategy. As long as you have enough buy zones for an 80% drop, 50 to 80%. You can see here I buy zones all the way down to 16 cents. Do I think it will come straight down to 16? No, but I'm always prepared, and I'm not surprised, guys. If you want access to these DCA charts, sign up to the Discord, 350 USD for many crypto projects, as well as the DCA strategy is explained, and you have 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Price of a coffee, 350 USD. You really can't beat it. I'll give you my bull run targets for Matic, or sorry guys, for Fantom. I just did a video on Matic. 2 extensions coming in at 604. If, guys, of course, it's a big if Bitcoin goes to 100K and beyond, then I don't see Fantom having any problem reaching $10 in 2022. But if Bitcoin were to get rejected, we lose this low. I don't think it's likely, but of course a possibility. We come all the way back down to 28K. It's going to take Fantom with it. But as of right now, we're going through our Wyckoff accumulation, and we're still looking quite healthy and bullish until we lose this swing low, in my opinion, for Bitcoin, which controls the market, guys. that's basically it for Fantom. Just a quick update. We are trending towards overbought, as I said, on the hourly time frame, on the money flow, as well as on the RSI. So we could see a little bit of consolidation or a possible move back down, of course, but hopefully we see a nice push up to 313. If we lose 284 as support, then you target 243. See the resistance in this area, resistance here, now flip to support, which would be our next buy zone, 243. And then we have 218. You're always prepared with our DCA strategy, no matter if we're pumping or we're dumping, we're making money, guys. So that's it for this one. Sign up to Bybit. That's where I do my trading. I'll throw my Fantom trade up on the screen, making some juicy profits. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.